Hey everybody, Kyler with Torklift here. I'm here with Bert. He is an original customer of was it 1985 is when you bought
Yes,
the trailer?
4x8 utility box trailer. Yep.
Yeah, so we've been manufacturing trailers for a long time now. And I heard that there was a 1985 original trailer here at our location to get some work done. And I just wanted to ask, how's the trailer been for the last, 30 plus years?
39 years. It's lasted a long time, and I've had it garaged all that time, so it's been able to keep the rust down and stuff. But it's serviced us for quite a few years. We I had a CJ5 at that time, and needed some way to move cargo, building supplies, gravel, camping supplies, fishing boat, that kind of stuff. So it filled the need very well. It came out originally um, pure yellow at my request, so it pretty much matched the CJ5. But in the mid '90s, the backyard project, I painted it purple and gold with my favorite team.
You don't say.
Yeah.
I noticed that you actually brought in an original copy of the receipt, so you just held on to it all those years?
Yeah,
Well, it served you well.
yeah, I kept it with all the registrations and the title and stuff. So
So
yeah.
how did you hear about Torklift all those years ago?
At that time, I lived up on the east of Kent.
Okay.
So now I'm in northeast Tacoma
Yep.
and lived in Federal Way a little bit of time in between that. But
Yeah.
yeah, so
Okay.
like I say, I grew up in Kent and Renton, and actually that building across the street I think was a Safeway store when I was growing up. So
Wow. Well, we appreciate you coming back after all these years.
you bet.
So we hope that the trailer served you well and it continues to serve you well.
I'm sure it will.
Perfect.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Hmm.